What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are headed to Mexico, and we, not me, are going racing. A lot of fast cars going to be out there, guys. We're about 15 minutes out from the meetup spot. We'll see you guys there. We're doing a little deal with Chris here. He has a precision back housing that I need for my turbo, and he said flip the coin. $100 if it lands on my call, and $150 if it lands on yours.
Yeah. Right. Yes, that's correct.
Damn it. I hate doing this, bro, because I lose every single time. Alright, ready? You guys see it?
Yeah.
100?
Yeah.
If it lands on me, 150 on you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call heads. 100 bucks. 100 bucks. Finally, I win, bro. That's my car. We should just take off to the side.
Good. Yeah, he's good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Rick.
Why is nobody wearing pink? Why is everybody all wearing black? Sorry,
Over this shit.
I need an alignment on my silver car, but I don't have a truck or trailer to bring it to. I don't want to drive it.
Julio has right.
Hey, does anyone not want to switch? I got two homies that are racing each other. Does anyone want to switch?
We're gonna move. What number you got?
4.
A different location right now.
You're racing your homie?
I got it.
Who's got twos?
Oakland.
We got twos. Somebody want to hold on.
Two right.
Ruben, two left.
Two right. Over here.
Who's two right?
I'll be right behind you.
Name?
Alex.
Alex, my bad.
Yeah.
Three.
Hey, boy.
Name?
Adrian.
3 right.
Who's the other 3? He's 3 right.
3 right?
Oh, right there. 3 right?
No. He's 3 left.
I'm gonna say.
Tooks.
Dukes.
Dukes.
Okay. Dukes. I'm gonna switch it.
That's where we're gonna go. What are you ready?
That's fine.
Course. That's a test pass for you anyway.
Left, right?
Left.
Left. What's your name?
Warren.
What?
Warren.
Worm?
Like big Warren.
Okay. Yours?
Rick.
5.
Left?
Me and Nick.
Which one? Which lane?
He's got left. I got right. Do you want to switch with them so we can split them up, or you want to race me?
Who's back, right?
Their homies are racing each other. You want to split? You want to split it, or you want to race me?
Back.
You want to race me? Okay, that's
What was
fine.
his name? What was your name again?
Nick.
My bad.
Who's got 6?
6 left.
You motherfucker.
Was this mine?
Yeah.
It was rigged.
So he doesn't get a bypass?
Yeah, he's
Gio?
bypass. He can either take his hit or he don't have to.
You're left or right?
No, he's bypassed.
He's bypassed.
bypass. You know it's a fucking lie, motherfucker. That's probably the one I threw away. I had 2 and I threw the other one. Forget that one.
Everyone? Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, so the first one is going to be 6 rounds. Morning. A lot of these guys are beast mode, driving on slicks, because when we get to the spot, we're getting right to it. What at it?
We out.
We out.
Hey, you guys.
Motor H2B. That was round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6 is a buy run. The homie Giovanni. He's all the way over there somewhere.
turbo cars. Alex, CJ got 3.
Hold on.
Adrian, 4 left.
4 left. Okay. 2 right. Name? Who's left for the first right?
2 left. We got 2 left.
This is more like a shoo, get out of here type of stroll, but we're gonna head back to the meetup spot in Tijuana and figure out what to do after this. All right, round 2. CHP was already over here. I think just made a U-turn too. Well, round 2 is a bust. So, back to the meetup spot once again. Tell me why we're going down to the second location and there's a bunch of like fire department and CHP and stuff already headed down this road. There's like an accident or something that happened. Oh yeah, right there. You can kind of see it. Oh damn. Looks pretty serious to me.
Worry about him.
Methanol.
Black bike?
I think so. He should be in the next. It depends if they draw each
Who got the bike?
Hey, we about to run.
You're the final.
First right?
Right? All right.
Let us get that.
Hey, you good to go?
Your left.
Let's go. Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll.
Alright guys, this is the finals. The homie Factor and Caesar. Let's go. We got the homie Caesar and the homie Factor. Both all motor. Dark side. Alright guys, we got a little grudge between the homie Adrian and Danny Duke's EG.
Ready, burn out.
Run it up.
We got a. Are you recording?
Yeah.
We got a $400 grudge race.
Wait, 400 aside?
400.
400 aside. 800 total. Soledad. Dude, it's from Gilroy, right?
Gilroy.
Oh, okay.
I know, but from his angle.
Good game, fellas.
You can see the angle, you can see the tire.
Good game. Tell me that does not sound so good, bro. It just sounds hella good.
Now I just want to go home and too high. I've been waiting.
Hey, I feel it though.